park. This place is amazing. Look at all the trees and flowers.
It's a sanctuary for wild animal babies, Lila. We're here to help them and maybe make some new friends along the way.
Hi there, I'm Maya. Welcome to the sanctuary. Need a guide?
Yes, let's go.
Maya, what's that over there? Is that a baby deer?
Good eye, Lila. That's Daisy. She's one of our youngest residents. Let's go say hi.
She's so beautiful. Can we pet her?
Patience is key when it comes to wild animals. Let's give her some space.
It's okay, little one. You're safe here.
Maya, she's coming closer. You're amazing with her.
Maya's experience with animals is truly impressive. This is a special moment.
It's okay, little one. You're safe here.
It's okay, little one. We're here to help you.
The mud isn't too deep. If we create a path, he can walk out safely. Great teamwork, everyone. Just a little more, and he'll be out.
Easy now, little guy. Just a few more steps and you'll be free.
Maya's experience with animals is truly impressive. This is a special moment. His mother too, Lila.
This was the best day ever. I'll never forget it.
And it's all thanks to teamwork. You and Maya were incredible out there.